everyone, my name is Dawn Rondo, and I'm here to provide more information how Google and Canvas integrate. I'm an ITSD certified educator as well as Google certified trainer, and I'm currently working on my Canvas certification as well. So today we're going to look at Google in the rich text editor. So it is also an external app that you use inside of the rich text editor. So instructors can embed view-only documents directly into the rich text editor, and this works in assignments, pages, discussions, and quizzes. Students do not have to be logged into Google to see embedded documents with Canvas. It is a view-only document. Links can be included in the rich text editor, but if you want the student to have a copy of it, then I would force them to make a copy, and then they would have to share the link with you to turn it in. So if you go to assignments, you're going to give it a title, and then if you click right here, you can see that that's where the Google Drive is. Here's where you link your account. If you have more than one Google Drive, you can switch in case you put something in a home drive by accident. You're going to select your document and then select Add. You need to select Add or you're going to keep going in a circle. And then it's going to ask permission to attach the file, and of course you attach it. Once I've done that, voila, I have a document in the rich text editor. Now, I did run into a problem in that I had to go change my permission in my Google Drive and the Google Slides before I could attach this. So you may run into that, but it will let you know if it needs to be changed or not. You can also insert links into docs with words or into the rich text editor specifically. Click the external link. So here's your little link piece. Know what you want to call it, and then you put in your link to that particular document, and then you can see I've got my SARE chart assignment. You can also link it to pictures, and you have to click on the picture first, then click Insert Link, External Link, so here's your link, and then I can connect it to a picture, and this tells me that there is a link attached to this picture. It will do the same thing on text. This box will pop up as well. You can force students to make a copy. So if you open your Google Drive, open the document you want to change, scroll up to the URL, find the word edit, change it to copy. When you hit enter, you'll get a box that pops up like this that says copy the document. That is where you want to copy that URL at the top of the slide. Copy the new URL, and then you're going to insert it into the rich text editor in either a phrase or a picture like I showed before. All right, so throughout this whole process, I keep saying that Google Forms are not available. They are, but you have to embed them in a different way than you do any other document. So a Google Form is embedded within the Canvas rich text editor box. Again, it can be done in any of these items, assignments, pages, discussions, quizzes. But unlike other Google products, students can actually respond on Canvas. So you'll need to start with your Google Drive outside first. Locate your Google Form and then click the Send button. When you click Send, you get the email, the link, but you also get this box right here. This means embed. So click that, and it's going to give you a link to copy. So copy it and return to Canvas. Then you're going to click Insert and Embed this time, and paste the link that you just copied back in your forms. And then it will insert itself. You will have a voila Google Form. Now, I know that I have not this in the presentation, but I did test this, and I wanted to show you what that might look like. So this is one of the actual quizzes, and down here is my entry, Mud Clase 2. It graded it just like normal, so I know what my response was. It gives me the email. Now, I would still be careful to make sure that you have a question in your Google Forms that says, what is your name? because that's going to make it a lot easier than having to go track down numbers or IDs for your students. So thank you. Have an awesome day.